Have you ever pondered the significance of roads in the grandeur of the Roman Empire? Roads, you see, were the lifeblood of ancient Rome, the veins and arteries that connected the heart of the empire to its farthest reaches. The Roman roads were more than just pathways for transportation. They were vital channels for the military, trade, and communication. Picture a legion of Roman soldiers marching swiftly along a straight paved road, their sandals striking the stones in unison. These roads allowed Rome's legions to move swiftly and efficiently, maintaining the empire's far-reaching grasp. Roads were the key to Rome's military might. Now imagine merchants, their carts heavy with goods from distant lands, traveling along these same roads. They facilitated trade, bringing prosperity and wealth to the empire. And let's not forget the messengers, sprinting along the roads, carrying missives from Rome to the distant provinces. These roads were the internet of their time, enabling fast and reliable communication. Indeed, the Roman Empire's might was not just about its legions, but also about its roads. The genesis of Roman roads takes us back to 312 BC, with the construction of the Appian Way. The birth of Roman roads wasn't a random event, but a strategic move, a calculated step aimed at strengthening Rome's grip on its territories. The Appian Way, the first major Roman road, was constructed primarily to serve as a supply route during the Second Samnite War. The Samnite War was a critical period in Roman history. The Romans were battling the Samnites, a formidable adversary based in the mountainous region of south-central Italy. The war was brutal, the terrain was challenging, and the Romans needed a reliable way to transport supplies, reinforcements, and information. The solution? A road, but not just any road. A road that was straight, direct, and built with military precision. Thus, the Appian Way was born. The Appian Way was the brainchild of Appius Claudius Caecus, a Roman censor. His vision was to create a road that was not only functional but also symbolized the might and power of Rome. And indeed, the Appian Way did just that. It stretched from Rome to Capua, covering a distance of approximately 132 miles, and it was a marvel of engineering, a testament to the ingenuity of the Romans. But the Appian Way was just the beginning. Its success led to the construction of other roads, each with a strategic purpose. The Via Flaminia was built to connect Rome with the Adriatic Sea. The Via Aemilia was designed to link the wealthy, fertile region of Emilia-Romagna with the bustling port of Rimini. These roads and many others formed the backbone of the Roman road network, facilitating trade, communication, and military movements. As they expanded through Europe, the Romans constructed highways connecting conquered cities to Rome, thereby creating colonies. Thus began the era of Roman road building, a project that would span centuries and mark the empire's dominance. The roads of Rome were more than mere paths. They connected cities, towns, and provinces, binding the empire together in a web of stone and dirt. The inception of Roman roads was a turning point, a moment that set the stage for the rise of one of the greatest empires in history. The Romans were not just avid builders, but also master engineers. Their approach to road construction was revolutionary, and it played a crucial role in the operation of the empire. One of the most striking features of the Roman roads was their straight and direct routes. They didn't believe in meandering paths. Instead, they opted for the shortest distance between 2 points, no matter the terrain. This directness not only facilitated quicker movement for the military, but also eased the transportation of goods and people across vast distances. The construction of these roads was a marvel of ancient engineering. They were constructed with multiple layers to ensure durability and longevity. The base layer, often made of sand or small stones, provided a firm foundation. Above this, larger stones were meticulously arranged and compacted. A final layer of tightly fitted paving stones created a smooth, flat surface. This multi-layered construction ensured the roads could withstand heavy usage and the test of time. But the Romans didn't stop at just building the roads. They understood the importance of navigation and travelers' comfort. Hence, they incorporated mile markers and road signs along the routes. These markers not only guided travelers but also served as a testament to the reach of the Roman Empire. Moreover, to accommodate the needs of those traversing these routes, rest stops and hotels were strategically located along the roads. These establishments not only offered shelter and sustenance to weary travelers, but also served as hubs of social and economic activity. The Romans were meticulous in their planning and execution. They even had soldiers patrolling the roads, ensuring safety and collecting tolls. This level of organization and infrastructure was unprecedented in the ancient world. The Romans had indeed set a high bar in road construction, one that remained unchallenged until the 19th century. Their roads were not just paths from point A to point B, they were lifelines of the empire, facilitating trade, military movement, and cultural exchange. The legacy of their engineering prowess lives on, with many of their roads still in use today. The Roman roads were not merely a testament to the empire's past glory, but they left an enduring legacy. Indeed, their impact stretches far beyond the boundaries of the ancient world and continues to influence our modern road systems. The Romans' ingenious engineering and meticulous planning laid the groundwork for the infrastructure we rely on today. Where once legions marched and chariots rolled, now cars, buses, and trucks traverse, following the same paths that were laid out over 2,000 years ago. Many of these Roman roads are still in use today, a testament to their durability and the Romans' deep understanding of construction and practicality. They stand as silent reminders of a time when Rome was the center of the world, their stone-paved surfaces echoing with the whispers of history. The Roman roads' influence also extended to the way we design and build roads today. The multi-layered construction techniques, the straight and direct routes, the mile markers and road signs, all have their roots in Roman ingenuity. Even the notion of rest stops and hotels along the way is something we've inherited from them. The Roman roads, therefore, are a remarkable testament to the empire's enduring legacy. Their influence is etched into the very fabric of our societies, a silent testament to a civilization that, in many ways, still shapes our world today. So, to encapsulate our journey through the Roman roads, we've seen how these paths were more than mere routes. They were strategic lifelines aiding in the maintenance of a vast empire. Born in the heat of the Second Samnite War, their innovative design and construction ensured durability and efficiency. Even today, their legacy lives on as they remain technologically advanced, some still serving their purpose. The Roman roads were not just a means of transportation, but a symbol of Rome's power, innovation, and enduring influence.
Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We do like to know and hear your feedback. And if you have the means, please consider supporting us on Patreon, where we post bonus material. Till next time, this is Geeky Tidbits, saying cheers, and have a good day.